something really special happened to me. I earned my first income as an English tutor. It may not be a huge amount of money, but honestly, when I received that money, I felt really happy because this was not just money. It was money I earned by doing something really I genuinely enjoy, teaching English. And today I want to share this little milestone with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ashtamita Talks. I am Ashtamita and I am from Odisha. If you have been watching my videos, you probably know that I am trying to build my journey around English learning and teaching. And this month I took one small step in that journey. I started tutoring English and I earned my first income from it. So today I just want to talk to you honestly about how it felt, what I earned, and why this small earning means so much to me. I have always liked English and teaching, but liking something and actually earning from it are two different things. For a long time, I thought about how could I use my skills in a practical way. I didn't want to wait until everything was perfect. I didn't want to think maybe I will start later. So I decided to start with what I already knew. I started teaching English as a tutor. And honestly, in the beginning, I had mixed feelings. I was excited, but I was also a little nervous. Will I able to explain things properly? Will the students understand me? Can I really call myself as an English tutor? But then I realized something. You don't have to know everything to start helping someone. You just need to know enough to teach what you know and be willing to keep learning yourself. One thing I quickly realized is that teaching English is not only about knowing grammar, it's about understanding the learner. Maybe a student knows the grammar rule but doesn't know how to use it in a conversation. Maybe they know many words but they are afraid to speak. Maybe they understand English but can't form sentence quickly. So as a teacher, you have to be patient. You have to explain things in a simple way, and sometimes you have to explain the same thing more than once. And honestly, I think teaching also helps me improve my English because when you teach something, you understand it more deeply. Then came the moment I received my first payment. It might sound like a small thing, but when you earn money through your own effort, it feels different. You look at the amount and think, I earned this. Not because someone simply gave it to me, not because it was a gift, but because I gave my time, my knowledge, my effort, and that feeling was really special. I think sometimes we focus so much on the amount of money that we forget what it represents. For me, this first income represents a beginning, and I want to say something especially to anyone who is starting something new. Your first earning may not be a big amount. Maybe it's 500, maybe it's 1000, but don't feel that it's too small to celebrate. Your first earning isn't important only because of the money. It's important because it proves something. You can create value with your skill. And once you realize that, you start thinking differently. You start asking, what else I can learn? What else can I do? How can I become better? This small experience taught me three things. First, start before you are completely ready. If I had waited until I felt like a perfect English teacher, I might still be waiting. Second, your skill can become opportunities. Maybe you are good at English. Maybe you are good at drawing. Maybe you can edit videos. Maybe you are good at cooking. Don't underestimate what you already know. And third, small beginnings matter. You don't have to build something huge on one day. Start small, learn, improve, and keep going. If you are watching this and you are also trying to build something for yourself, I just want to say, don't be embarrassed about starting small. Don't compare your beginning with someone else's success. Maybe right now you are learning a skill. Maybe you are looking for your first student. Maybe you are trying to get your first client. Maybe you are creating your first video. Keep going. One day you will look back and realize that the small step you took today was actually the beginning of something much bigger. So yes, this month I earned my first income as an English tutor. It's a small milestone, but it's a meaningful one for me. And I wanted to share it with you because maybe you are also waiting for your own first earning, your first student, your first job, or your first big opportunity. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start with what you have. If you enjoyed this little story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Ashtamita Talks. And tell me in the comments what was your first income or what skill would you love to earn from. I'll see you in the next video.